How do I operate this thing?
Just hold it pretty. So, I'll try and grab it here, you think, or what?
Yeah, well, see, it's cut here, and this whole section's cut at the wall, so these bottom two shelves will come out in one piece.
Okay, well, let's see what I can do.
Tear them up!
Huh?
Tear them up! That's right. Let me cut it free from the steps.
Yeah, did you do the step yet?
Not yet.
Alright, well, you might want to. Or steps might go with us. What are you doing?
Tearing up your stuff.
Demolition.
You don't know how much joy this brings to me, Lawrence.
I noticed.
He's back.
I'm back. Pull forward a little bit. I think I'm pinched.
All right.
Now what about the far back, do you think?
Yeah.
Those are probably attached still.
Yes, it is. I'm gonna have to do it from underneath.
Either that or even just cut here where you can still get a hold.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that was a relief point.
Okay, that should come out from underneath.
Yeah.
Okay, one more in the back.
Do what you can. You want me to lift it up?
No, I'm gonna knock this board up.
Okay. Hey, also, if you knock the top board just right by your head, then you got room to get in.
Yeah.
Just take the sledge to it or whatever.
Well, I can cut this one and I think everything will be in your grapple.
All right. She's loose.
Got one more right here.
All right.
Oh no, she's loose.
Well, I'm gonna let you take hold of me. Make sure nothing pushes the buttons on the side. Go in and shut off.
I gotcha.
Thanks, buddy.
Trying to take it down. Now out. There Up. Up. There she goes.